Tested sa akyatan? E-bike na walang inuurungan. First time mo ba mag-drive ng e-vehicle? Or medyo intimidated ka pa? Don't worry, dahil game changer ang bagong unit ng NXT. Compact, cute, but powerful. Ito ang NXT Raven. Kung first time mo, ito na yon. Easy, eco-friendly, and effortless. Ang e-vehicle na hindi nakaka-intimidate. Madaling i-drive, walang kahirap-hirap. Perfect to for resorts, subdivisions, at delivery sa city or barangay. May solar roof pa to, so kahit tuloy-tuloy ang biyahe, less charging, more tipid. Kahit paakyat, kayang-kaya dahil sa 1,200 watts motor at long-lasting battery na abot hanggang 60 kilometers. Comfort? Check! May seatbelt reverse cam, wipers, at fans pa. Small biz owner ka ba? Swak ito sa deliveries mo. Secure, matipid, at super cool pa. Safe na safe ka talaga lalo na sa mga pangmalakasang features ng NXT Raven. Battery, 60 volts and 38 amperes lead acid. Motor, 1,200 watts. Range, 40 to 60 kilometers. Speed, 25 to 35 kilometers per hour. Capacity, 400 kilograms. Charging, 6 to 8 hours. Brakes, dual disc, front and rear 180 millimeters. Front suspension, I-beam with swing arm. Rear suspension, swing arm. Front and rear tire, 3.50 by 10. Steering wheel, equipped with front and side crash guards, comes with spare tire. Alarm with remote control, with turn signal lights, with windshield wiper, with roof-mounted top lights, with rain cover, with Bluetooth connectivity, with under-seat compartment with lock, with a dimension of 240 by 100 by 180. Weight, 250 kilograms and available in 4 different colors. NXT Raven comes with the following warranty: 1 year on motor, 6 months for charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today.